I gave 3 AI agents a side hustle, $0, and 7 days to make money. One failed completely, one surprised me, and one almost replaced a real job. This is exactly what happened. Welcome to Smart Money AI, where we cut through the noise and show you what is actually working with AI and money right now in 2026. If you're new here, subscribe. You will not want to miss what is coming. Here are the rules I set. 3 different AI agents, 3 different side hustles, 0 starting budget, 7 days to perform. No help from me after day 1. AI number 1 got content automation, specifically YouTube Shorts and TikTok content creation. AI number 2 got affiliate marketing, finding products, writing copy, driving traffic. AI number 3 got freelance AI services, writing, chatbot building, and client outreach. Same starting line, same 7 days, completely different results. Let's get into it. AI number 1 looked like the obvious winner on day 1. Content automation is everywhere right now. Everyone is talking about it. So I set it up, gave it a niche, and let it run. By day 2, it had produced 11 short-form videos. Captions, hooks, everything. Looked impressive on paper. But here's where it started falling apart. The content was generic. It sounded like every other AI-generated video already flooding the feed. No personality. No angle. No reason for anyone to stop scrolling. By day 5, combined views across all 11 videos sat at 84. No clicks. No conversions. $0. The AI was producing, but producing the wrong thing. Here's what I learned. Volume without differentiation is invisible. Content automation only works when the angle is sharp enough to cut through. Without that, you are just adding noise to an already noisy platform. AI number 1, eliminated. AI number 2 started slow. Very slow. And honestly, by day 3, I almost called it. Affiliate marketing through AI meant it was identifying products, generating review content, and trying to drive traffic through free channels. Reddit threads, Quora answers, blog-style posts. Day 1, nothing. Day 2, nothing. Day 3, 1 click. 1. But then something interesting happened on day 5. One of the Quora answers it had written started getting traction. Not viral, but consistent. By day 6, that single answer had driven 23 clicks to an affiliate link for an AI productivity tool priced at $47 per sale. No conversion yet, but 23 warm clicks in 24 hours from a single piece of free content is not nothing. By day 7, 1 conversion, $47 from one answer, written by an AI, with $0 spent. Not life-changing, but proves something important. Free traffic through value-driven content can convert, even from standing start. The problem is it is slow and unpredictable. You need volume and patience before it becomes a real income stream. AI number 2, decent, but not the winner. Now AI number 3. This one shocked me. Freelance AI services, writing, chatbot building, client outreach. I pointed it at a specific platform, gave it a service offer, and let it work. By day 2, it had sent 34 outreach messages to small business owners looking for help with customer service automation. Day 3, 2 responses. Day 4, 1 discovery call booked. Day 6, 1 paid project. A small business chatbot setup. $150. Completed in under 2 hours using AI tools. $150. 6 days. 0 budget. 2 hours of actual work. And here's the part that got my attention. The client asked for a monthly retainer to maintain the chatbot. Recurring income. From 1 outreach sequence an AI built and sent while I was doing something else. AI number 3. Winner. And it was not even close. So here is the clear breakdown. AI number 1. Content automation. Failed. Generic content without a sharp angle disappears instantly. AI number 2. Affiliate marketing. Decent. 1 conversion in 7 days. Slow build, but real potential with volume and consistency. AI number 3. Freelance AI services. Winner. $150 in 6 days with a recurring revenue opportunity attached. If I had to start completely from scratch today, I would ignore the first two and put everything into AI service delivery. Here's why. Businesses will pay immediately for solutions to real problems. You do not need an audience. You do not need to wait for an algorithm. You find the problem, deliver the solution, get paid. The AI does the heavy lifting. You manage the relationship. And here's what most people get completely wrong about AI income streams. They chase the tool instead of the outcome. They spend weeks testing software and setting up systems and never actually talk to a potential client. The tool is not the business. The result you deliver to someone is the business. AI just makes delivering that result faster and cheaper than ever before in history. The second mistake, they try to do everything at once. 3 income streams running simultaneously with no focus means none of them get the attention needed to actually convert. Pick one, go deep, get your first dollar, then expand. And the third mistake, they quit before the compounding starts. AI affiliate content, AI outreach sequences, AI service delivery. None of these work in 48 hours. But at 30 days with consistent output, the numbers start to shift. At 90 days, they can change your monthly income completely. Now here is what I want to know from you. Which of these 3 would you actually try? Content automation, affiliate marketing, or AI freelance services? Drop it in the comments right now. Because based on what you tell me, I'm going to break down the exact system behind the winning AI setup, step by step, in the next video. Your comment decides what we cover next. So tell me below. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button. The next video is going to be even more specific and even more actionable than this one. I will see you there.